Alright, well, I'm back again. Jesus Christ. I'm back again playing this cicada the game again. Because last time I didn't even know what was going on. It was so weird. Now you people are just probably thinking like, oh no, I just uploaded the cicada video, but I actually filmed it this morning, so I turn the lights on. Push the door. Yes! Alright. Pick up scattered newspaper. Can we do that? Yes, we can. Alright, that's good. Open fridge. Cold beers, hey? I want to leave the fridge open. I'll probably just waste all my bloody electricity. What the fuck is this game? Open. How can we open? Open window. If I walk over here, can you open it? Open window. Open window. You didn't even fucking try to open the window. Alright, open front door. Fucking hell. This guy's a dumbass. Come on. This guy is stupid. And bald guy. He looks like a drug addict or something. I'm not afraid to speak my mind. Yes, I did it. I'm out of the room. Is this a horror game or something? Landlord. Can we use a telephone? Jesus Christ. Use payphone. It needs a nickel. Alright. I'm going. Hey Joe. If that's even your real name.
From Atlanta, Fulton County.
Yeah, but one objective.
Color I see. Then you maintain the status. December 7th, 19.
And a question a psychopath.
The Orby has nothing to fear.
What the fuck is that noise?
Baronian here. Passions Stonia. Azaruta Ervatsunhingi.
And there's an exchange of.
Talk to Joe.
Y otros en Mi Mejor Amigo, este domingo solo por Univision.
What the fuck is going on? Dude, this is really weird. God, I'm coughing. You know what? I'm leaving. Goodbye. Alright, let's go. Let's leave. Leave. Thank you. Much appreciated. Talk to landlord.
From Atlanta, Fulton County.
Can't seem to get out of the front door.
Color I see. Then you maintain the status. December 7th, 19.
And a question a psychopath.
The Orby has nothing to fear.
Baronian here.
I don't even. What the fuck, this game?
Azaruta Ervatsunhingi.
And there's an exchange of.
Arrived
I'm really confused.
Our husbands and wives.
Y otros en Mi Mejor Amigo, este domingo solo por Univision.
Alright, let's go. Alright, that's fucking stupid. Alright. Open elevator door. Where the fuck do we go back? We were back before. Oh my god, this guy is fucking so stupid. Walk! Look at! Table. Pick up.
From Atlanta, Fulton County.
Yeah, but one objective.
Color I see. Then you maintain the status. December 7th.
Where the fuck is that guy even looking at on TV anyways?
The Orby has nothing
Look
to
at
fear.
Hitch.
Maronian Hill. Passion Stonia.
Wait, can we get past
Azaruta
Joe?
Ervatsun Hingin.
Hang on.
Arrived at the.
Our husbands and wives.
Wait. I think I got it.
Y otros en Mi Mejor Amigo.
Talk
Este
to
domingo solo por Univision.
Joe.
Bus covering 5 and there.
Can I talk to Hitch? Fucking dog. What the fuck do I do? Use. Alright, I'm confused. Talk to the landlord. Talk to landlord.
From Atlanta, Fulton County.
Yeah, but one objective.
Color I see. Then you maintain the status. December 7th, 19.
I'm gonna question a psychopath.
The Orby has nothing to fear.
Damn it, I have no idea what I'm doing anymore.
Maronian Hill. Passion Stonia. Azaruta Ervatsun Hingin.
There's an exchange of. Arrived at the.
Our husbands and wives.
Y otros en Mi Mejor Amigo. Este domingo solo por Univision.
Bus covering 5 and there.
Talk to Joe. What the fuck do I do? Alright, this game sucks. I'm done. Goodbye.